Ito na, ibigay nyo na kay Atisa. She's ready, the Universe Crown.
Time for the rest. This is her time. She's shining. She's winning.
One more time, Philippines, are you ready?
Let's go, Atisa!
Here we go.
As they walk and win in their Jojo Bragayan footwear.
Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is...
And so I hope all of us
They have the power.
People's welfare first. Power that no one. You are trailed. I always make sure I come back strong.
Quezon Province!
비난하나나 그러나 아이 못 봤어요 비난하나